Hello guys, it's Carlo Masciani, El Patron from Forexwolf. Today we're going to look at GBPJPY. So what we're going to do is start on our high time frame, which is our weekly chart. So I use support and resistance to analyze the market. We're going to check. So what we have to do, we're going to find our zones, the previous highest and the previous lowest zones. So let's start, guys. As you can see, we have identified our weekly highest zone. Now we have to find our lowest. So as you can see, guys, I have found my highest and lowest zone. And now what we're going to do, we're gonna move down the time frame. We're going to move to the daily chart and find our previous highest and lowest on the daily chart. As you can see, guys, we have identified the highest and lowest of the weekly chart. Now we have to find out what's our lowest on the daily and highest on the daily. So as I just identifying the zones, you need to change the color. When the market moves, you know you're on which zone, on which time frame. After this, I'm gonna change the color. So if you can check here, this is our daily zones. Let me change the color first. This is our daily zones, the previous highest and lowest on the daily. If you can check here, let me zoom in. If you can check here, this is our previous highest and this is the previous lowest. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move to a smaller time frame and draw our lowest and highest to identify the zones. So as you can see, our previous highest is the same level as the daily zone. What we're going to do now, we're only gonna draw the lowest because you can't put same lines, same zones, same. We're going to put same. We're not gonna put two lines on different zones. You understand? What's gonna represent our highest is gonna be this daily zone, and our lowest we're going to draw a line with a different color. Let's change our line to indicate our lower zone on the 4-hour time frame. And then to find our entries, I use 1 hour time frame to check for our entries, how to enter the market. And we're still gonna do the same thing. So here, instead of drawing lines to make our chart neat, I'm gonna use the rectangular zone. So yeah, this is our previous highest, and here is gonna be our previous lowest. So what we're going to wait for here, let's see that the market It's gonna break our lower zone and sell. Our lower zone and sell from here to our daily zone, to our 4-hour zone, yes, to our 4-hour zone. Or the market is gonna break out on our daily zone, come back and retest and go to our weekly zone or another 4-hour zone. So if I can show you here real quick, you can see our zones here. If you can check, everywhere we have zones, but the big time frame zones counts a lot because they give you a long-term movement. Yeah.